We praise nature, write poems about it, draw it in pictures, love to walk in the forest, look at the trees, relax, and enjoy the birds singing. Forests are rightly called the lungs of the earth, and they cover almost 31% of its surface. The trees give oxygen to the atmosphere and make the air much cleaner for us to breathe. We need to learn how to use the resources of the forest to save nature so that future generations can savor the blessings that forests provide us with. To win the fight against climate chaos, we can't lose more forests.